start. Breaking the ice. It seems the political temperature in the federal capital fell by quite a few degrees this weekend full stop after weeks of fire and fury which seems to have culminated this Saturday in a slate of fresh convictions for the PTI's senior leadership, Sunday saw leaders from both sides of the political divide regretting where things stand and ruminating on the possibility of talks full stop next para. Both sides seemingly agree that a negotiated compromise is the only way out of the socio-legal political morass they have managed to drag the country into full stop. There is no denying the logic of that suggestion full stop. But there is a strong sense of deja vu regarding its timing full stop. Last year, there had been similar talk about negotiations and the need thereof as the year was about to close full stop. There had even been some hope dashed more than there is now, for certain dash that the ice may finally break and we may see a long awaited resolution full stop next para. Instead, the effort had all but collapsed before the first month of 2025 was out full stop. What followed was another round of vindictive, scorched earth politics that, before the end of the year, had left the country settled with the 27th Amendment full stop. At no point in this latest bout of skirmishing did either side look like it was winning full stop next para. Indeed, their vendetta, ongoing since 2022, has only created losers so far full stop. It would now seem that this fact has never been lost on the stakeholders' dash. Otherwise, they would not still be discussing talks as the only way out full stop. But one wishes it were that simple full stop. Unfortunately, both factions forgot, at key moments, that even when one is fighting, they must leave room for a retreat full stop. Both sides have, by now, said and done many things which have made it increasingly difficult for them to extricate themselves from the present crisis full stop next para. The opposition parties have now floated the idea of a new charter of democracy, and senior PMLN leaders are also backing calls for a political dialogue full stop. Now is as good a time as any to give it another go full stop. But with so much baggage on both sides, nothing less than a sweeping revision of the rules of engagement may do full stop. A formal reset is the only possible motivation for both sides to bury the past full stop last para. The ruling parties are responsible for making the first move by virtue of holding more power full stop. They must consider easing some of the difficulties faced by the opposition full stop. The opposition parties, have a responsibility not to make reapproachment efforts more difficult than they need to be, full stop. Their inflexible preconditions in the past have unraveled the negotiation process well before anything substantial could be achieved, full stop. Both sides must remain within the bounds of reason and approach this with sincerity, full stop. Much depends on it, full stop.